kotse ba? Feel kotse na. Kia is back in the headlines and this time, they're on the affordable side of things. Crossover pa rin pero it's smaller and medyo may mix and match sila sa packaging nito to make it more enticing. The best dito, bagong-bagong kotse ito. Hindi siya facelift or new generation. First time nito dumating sa Pilipinas. Kaya naman for this video, it will be the quick look of the all-new Kia Sonet. So, alam nyo nang gagawin, di ba? Like, subscribe at i-chismis sa mga kabarkada ninyo. Sino nga ba ang kalaban ng Kia Sonet? Tatapat ito against small crossovers like the new Changan CS15, the Geely GX3 Pro, and the leader of the pack, Toyota Race. For comparison, mostly sa race na lang, no? So in terms of size, mas malaki ng konti ang Sonet against the Race. It's 70mm longer, 80mm wider, 37mm taller. The wheelbase of the Sonet is at 2,500mm, habang ang ground clearance ay closely 5mm higher at 205mm compared sa 200mm ng Race. Pagdating sa makina, mas malakas ang nilagay dito sa Kia Sonet. All variants have the same 1.5-liter gas engine. Walang turbo ha. Tapos paired ito sa IVT or CVT ng Kia. And 6-speed manual for the base model. Ang numbers nito ay 113 horsepower and 144 Nm of torque, which is higher than both the 1.2-liter and 1-liter turbo ng Race. Also, itong 1.5-liter engine ng Kia Sonet ay 4-cylinder so mas stable ang vibrations nito. Ang nagustuhan namin dito sa Kia Sonet is the exterior design. Hindi siya mukhang small car if you see it in the pictures. And pag sa personal naman, oo, it's a small crossover pero yung proportions niya makes it look like a big car like the Sorento. Basically, mature siya tingnan. As for amenities, meron itong Star Map Signature LED headlights and DRL, power folding side mirrors, sunroof, and LED taillights. Three colors naman ang dominant sa cabin. Of course, there's black, then the aged white headliner, and the silver accents found all over. Materials are on the practical side of things pero there are hints of modern amenities here. The top trim has a 10.25-inch digital gauge cluster, wireless charging, leather upholstery, automatic climate control, and a 10.25-inch touchscreen. Maganda pa dito, all variants get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Sa safety naman, standard sa lahat ang front airbags, ABS, rear camera, and rear sensors. May cruise control din except sa base model while the top-of-the-line trim has Kia DriveWise or Advanced Driver Assist System. It includes lane keeping assist, lane following assist, forward collision avoidance assist, downhill brake control, high beam assist, and driver attention warning. It also gets bonus electronic stability control and hill start assist control. Pero syempre, ang gusto nating malaman is how it drives. Kaya naman, para dyan pumunta tayo kay Boss Jacob.
We've known Kia for small cars, and the Sonet is no exception. It's a small car, but yes, it is bigger, wider actually than the Race, and more powerful. And you can feel it actually while driving. Ramdam mo yung added horsepower or yung difference ng horsepower nito with the Race. Now, the Kia Sonet is based on the same platform that was used by the Hyundai Venue na hindi na binibenta ng Hyundai. And they have the same driving dynamics. I mean, they're agile, they're quick on their feet, and ang dali niyang i-maneuver. Because that's what they are. They are urban crossovers or they're meant to be driven in the city. And yun naman yung maganda doon Kasi din yung nagustuhan ko sa Kia Stonic na papalitan nitong Sonet. Another thing I love about the Sonet is how pliant the suspension is. I mean, of course, sa semento naman yung dinadrivean namin ngayon dito, but hindi mo nararamdaman yung roughness eh. And that's one of the great things about having a small crossover SUV for the city. I mean, that's what you want in a crossover. Gusto mo syempre yung hindi mo nararamdaman yung harshness sa labas. Alright, I think my time is up. And obviously, there's more to know about the Kia Sonet na aabangan nating lahat or aabangan ninyo sa PhilCoche.
And that is the upcoming Kia Sonet. Mukhang magiging interesting ang laban nito sa subcompact crossover segment. Ito pa lang ata ang small crossover with a full suite of advanced driver assist system. And idagdag mo pa ang good looks at comfortable cabin. Talagang mukhang mapapabili na yata ako ng sasakyan kung maka 400,000 subscribers na tayo. Kaya naman, subscribe na. So that's it for this video. I'm your host, Stanley Chi, ang inyong senpai ng turbuhan. Kita-kits tayo sa next video dito lang sa PhilCoche. Bye-bye! Thanks for watching! For the latest news, reviews, and anything you want to know about cars and car ownership, visit philcoche.com. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Spotify para hindi ka huli sa usapan. Tandaan, kotse ba? PhilCoche na!